Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. So hopefully the hint in the last video was helpful in that a correction will start as soon as we drop below this yellow trend line. That should have helped you a lot to see that we are now starting this larger correction. I am counting this entire move up as wave 1, and basically we had already a 1-2 setup here, 1-2. Which bottomed then at around 38 cents. And I'm now looking at this being a wave 3 to the upside. And we said that this here would be the wave 1 of the wave 3. And now we're coming down in the wave 2 of the wave 3. And I think helpful for you in this video will hopefully be to determine where could we actually bottom now in the wave 2 before we start the rally to the upside in a third wave. Yeah, the expected rally. So, generally for a wave 2, I would personally be always looking at the most likely support area, and that is between the 50% Fibonacci retracement and the 78.6, which is here in this case between 40.9 cents and 39.3. So that's one way of looking at it, one way of dealing with it. This is looking just at the retracements, and to be honest, I haven't done that super accurately, so let me just scroll down a little bit. So it would be between 40.8 cents and 39.2. Now with the 61.8% retracement being the most relevant one generally, or being at least a very relevant one, yeah, here at 40.2 cents. That's one way of calculating target. The other way, you can see I have labeled already ABC in this wave 2. We can always take the length of the A wave and project it out, and that would give us a second target. So we can do that here as well. And we are looking then at the 1-to-1 ratio. See, that would also take us to 40.8 cents. So I wouldn't be surprised to find support at 40.8. That is confluence here between the 40.8, well, the 1-to-1 ratio and the 50% retracement. Should we drop below that level, then we're looking here at 40.2 cents is one more target. Then we've got the 1.618 extension at 39.6 cents. And in the worst case, in this scenario, the 39.2 cent level, it shouldn't really go below that. Not in this scenario. If we do, we probably have to deal here with an impulse to the downside and a probable or a likely invalidation of this wave 2 here. First chance for it to turn around would be, I don't know why I'm losing the Wi-Fi, but the first chance for it to turn around is already at the 38.2% Fib level, 41.5 cents, but it's not a very likely reversal point for ADA here. Yeah, in a wave 2, you would ideally be looking at the 50% Fib level at least, and that would also match the projection here between waves A and waves C. Looking at the indicators, I mean, on the 1 hour chart here, there's no bullish divergence yet. We are still pushing down. Yeah, the momentum hasn't shifted yet. On the 1 hour, it hasn't. And actually, we've avoided a bullish crossover here. And very intentionally, this is pushing it down as well. This is not a short-term bullish sign. So it would rather confirm to me that we are indeed continuing to push lower. And also, as you can see here on the 4 hour chart, is a very similar picture, actually. The MACD down there has just sort of crossed bearish, okay? So we had a bearish crossover there, here, yeah, and this is really only just sort of started. And yeah, also here on the RSI, we're just sort of pushing down, no sign of a recovery. So all of that would confirm to me that we are heading a bit lower, and that would match the Elliott wave analysis. So this supports it basically. So should we start an earlier uptrend there, then let's go back to the 1 hour chart. So obviously it's always possible. We can always only looking at the most likely scenarios. A reversal to the upside is possible earlier already. The wave C is already lower than the wave A, but it would be a very short wave C, quite unlikely to already reverse from here. But if we do, then a break above the B high at 42.7 cents would give us an early signal that the wave 3 has already started. And probably tomorrow when it has, I can give you a target for the wave 3. Because I think this won't take too long, but we'll see. I can give you an estimation for the third wave here, just assuming we might come down to that 40.8 cent level. Then we're looking here at 50 cents for a third wave. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.